So here's an interesting question. We all, in some way, shape, or form, can look at our counterparts in other departments and everything and be thinking, I just wish they understood this. I just wish they appreciated this about what we do. What is it that if you could tell a CHRO, I wish you knew this about legal. I wish you knew this about the counsel that we could give you, the way that we could help you, that you don't think that they typically just innately understand, but would really appreciate.
I think the biggest thing is most lawyers, and especially ones that work inside a company as an in-house attorney, they really want to learn about the business. They really want to understand what the business is about. They don't want to just be seen as a lawyer. They want to be seen as a business partner for the whole company. And HR has a great opportunity to help them. HR sees the whole company, knows all the employees, what's going on with each department because they hear it from the employees and the managers of what they're struggling with, if there's targets they're not meeting. The comp team definitely knows because they see whether bonus targets are being met and whether people are getting big raises or not getting big raises. The legal team wants to just know about what's going on with the business, and the HR team has a great viewpoint on that. Again, you don't have to tell the legal team all everybody's compensation to do that, but to share those, what's going on with the company, what do you think? What do they think is an interesting approach to it? Lawyers typically get I want to draft this contract. I want to make sure I don't have any issues. And I want you to tell me everything's going to be fine. And that's where a lawyer gets. They don't typically get how you lawyer as the team, how can you help me figure out the business strategy? And the HR team has a great aspect to give them some of the background so that when they're in a meeting on like an environmental issue, or maybe it's an IP issue, they will have the background because they'll know that the R&D team has been struggling with 14 other things. And not knowing that, how do they approach giving them the tough news that this contract's got to be changed or this innovation may not be patentable? How do they think about that and then go into the meeting and say, this may not be patentable, but here's all the other ways we can help you meet your target because I thought about a different way of patenting this innovation. So that type of stuff is really valuable to a lawyer, and they don't want to be seen as just lawyers. They want to be seen as part of a business. That's why they came to work in the company. Lawyers that don't want to do that are typically working in a law firm and they hop from client to client. Whereas the ones who work in the business, they really want to be part of the business. So HR can really help them. And if you help them do that, they'll be grateful to you forever. They will always think of you as a partner and not as someone who I have to make sure doesn't break the law or do something wrong.